AI influencers are taking over Instagram. Some of the most popular influencers on Instagram aren't even human. They're AI-generated characters with millions of followers and brand deals. And this is just the beginning. The rise of AI influencers. AI influencers like Lil Miquela and Shudu are already collaborating with top brands like Prada and Dior. They post photos, tell stories, and engage with fans just like real people. Why brands love them? Brands love AI influencers because they don't get tired, don't cause scandals, and can be customized for any campaign. They're cheaper, safer, and more flexible than human influencers. The impact on humans. But what does this mean for real influencers? If brands can create their own perfect AI spokespeople, will human influencers lose their jobs? The future. Some predict entire industries built around virtual celebrities, from singers to actors to athletes. The line between real and fake could soon vanish. So, would you follow an AI influencer? Or do you think it's too fake? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab for more future tech insights.